check out this 1957 Ford Thunderbird. It's been restored. It's in a beautiful teal paint color. It has a totally rebuilt 312 V8 Y-block engine in it. It does have some upgrades. It's got the porthole hard top with it, no soft top. It has aftermarket vintage air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. It's got this lovely dark brown tan walnut interior, just gorgeous. I'm gonna hop in, fire it up here for you. Very comfy interior. Put it into neutral to start. Didn't even hit the gas, fires right up. Got an aftermarket water gauge over there. These cup holders are aftermarket. They slide out of the ashtray. Kind of makes for a nice addition for drinks. Air conditioning. And it's getting cold. It works really well. Got your wipers there, vacuum operated. And you got a radio here. Blower motor does work too. So I'm going to leave the AC on so you can see the AC compressor under the hood. Your left air slider. And behind, it's all finished in carpet. You got two speakers there. The covers fell off. Really nice cargo area back here. Excellent upholstery work. Door closes nice. All right, there you have it. There is your totally rebuilt 312 Y-block engine. This engine starts and runs awesome. It is very fresh, has about 500 to 1,000 miles on it. It's just barely broke in. Nice sound to it. Lots of fresh components here under the hood. You got your power, factory Ford style power brakes there. You got power steering. There is your AC compressor. You can see the clutch is spinning. Really nice valve covers, nice exhaust manifolds. You have this aftermarket heavy duty aluminum radiator with an electric fan setup with a nice shroud. That's a really nice setup there. Keeps the engine nice and cool. You have a coolant overflow added. So you really do have some nice modern touches under the hood here with the aftermarket AC that works wonderfully. And the cooling system upgrades. Definitely would not hesitate to take it out on a hot day. I think it would do just fine. Nice bright work. Really nice paint. Lovely teal paint color. Paint and body overall is in very good condition. I would give it a step above a driver quality. Definitely very showable. Again, lovely upholstery work. Door closes nice. There's the door there a little bit too. Really nice exhaust, and the porthole hardtop is just very iconic. If you're interested in this 1957 Ford Thunderbird, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. There'll be about 80 plus high resolution pictures of it, including pictures of the undercarriage. If you're interested, watching this video and interested what the asking price is, please scroll down to the description. Click the link in the description. It'll take you right to our website. You can see all the photos and the price. If you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Again, that's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.